In today's video, I'll show you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Blofin. So what we want to do is start off in Blofin and then click on Wallet at the bottom right. And then what we want to do is click on Deposit. Now here we need to choose the crypto we want to deposit. So let's say Solana. And we'll choose the Solana network. And here is our wallet address, so we can just copy this or scan the QR code. Now if we jump over into Coinbase, you want to click on Transfer. Here in Transfer, you want to click on Send Crypto. We want to paste in our wallet address. And you'll see here that mine says I have no compatible assets. You will select Solana, you'll input the amount, and then hit Transfer. It'll give you a review with the fees that are involved, and you can then hit Transfer to complete the transaction. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.